What's got two wheels and a need for speed? This awesome bike we're about to draw. So, let's hit the road. Let's lay down the basics. Just a few quick pencil lines to set the wheels in motion, and we're ready to roll with the marker. Alright, first up, the fork and head tube. Think of these like the bike's neck and spine, holding everything steady. Then, of course, we need handlebars. This is where all the steering magic happens. Next, onto the frame, bottom bracket, and crank. This is like the bike's super strong core, built to handle all kinds of rides. Let's make sure it's ready for action. And hey, if this bike's got you ready to roll, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss a single ride with us, hit that subscribe button. And give that bell a little ring-a-ding-ding too. Who knows, maybe it'll make our bike go faster. Time for the seat. Think of it as the bike's little chair. Comfy, right? Onto the disc brakes for both wheels. Safety first, these brakes are like the bike's whoa button, ready to stop when we need it. But hey, maybe only for the big hills. Now let's tackle the front wheel, adding those awesome spokes. Imagine each spoke like a string of strength, keeping the wheel balanced and smooth. And finally, our back wheel, spokes and all, of course. Now our bike's got its power wheels on, totally ready to roll. You can add any details you like, maybe a cool pattern, extra gear, or even a little belt. And think about colors too. This is your ride, so go wild. Remember, there are no mistakes, just awesome chances to learn and have fun. Great job, Scribble Peeps. Look at that fantastic bike we created together. Don't forget, there's always more fun to be had, and it's free. Just visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye!